morning, guys. We made it out to Las Vegas after almost a full week out in California, and it was an incredible time showing Rachel around for a full week around Northern California, including making it to the Big Sur. And we are at the beautiful Caesars Palace right now in Las Vegas, and this is a big trip because Rachel met both my parents this trip, and it was a great success. So I'm going to be vlogging today, which is the last day out here in Las Vegas, and we're heading out to Red Rock Canyon, and we're going to show you a little bit of Las Vegas. So a lot of people think of Las Vegas as Sin City, which it is, and there's only gambling to do, but there's beautiful national parks, there's parks surrounding Las Vegas, and we're going to show you today Red Rock Canyon before we head on to Fremont Street is the game plan. And basically the first couple days out here in Vegas, we walked around, we relaxed, we had dinner with my parents, we hung out with my parents, which was awesome to catch up with them. I haven't seen them in about a year now, so it's been an incredible first 2 days out here in Vegas, just hang out with my mom and hang out with my dad. My dad ended up doing pretty well last night, so he gave Rachel and I some lucky money, so we were gambling a little bit on that. We didn't do too great ourselves, but it's been an incredible first couple days out here in Vegas, and today's our last full day out in Vegas. We're going to check out Red Rock Canyon, get some breakfast first, and then we're going to head out to Fremont Street, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what there is to do outside of Vegas. Just shoving a camera in their face. Just shoving a camera in my parents' face.
Yeah, do that.
Housekeeping? Hi, Dad.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, he got
Oh, I got the camera out, Aunt Joe.
What is this?
This is Aunt Joe.
What the heck is this?
That's my alarm. Oh, this
that's
is
so cool.
This is the tripod, yeah.
Oh, I love this tripod.
It's like a spider. And this is my mom. Welcome my mom to the vlog.
Did you bring water? Bring water. Did you bring water?
You need to bring water. Hydrate.
Here, come here. Here, guys.
And this is my dad. Welcome my dad to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, cute.
That was like the best reaction.
Yeah, I love that reaction. This is so funny.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
So we're gonna head like 10-minute walk to the Bellagio. That's where we're picking up our car from Avis. The crew's here. Oh, there's my mom. It's like a party animal. This is where I get my personality from.
What about here?
I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there. I did not tell my mom to do any of this. Alright, so we made it to Avis Car Rental at the Bellagio, literally next door from the Caesars. We spent 110 American dollars and we rented a 7 or 8 passenger van. And we're gonna head out to Red Rock Canyon, which is one of the beautiful parks and one of the first National Conservatory parks around the area in Nevada. So we're all lost and we're looking for the Dodge Caravan that we got from Avis. Somewhere back here. I think I know where it's at. This is so old school. Dad, I got a GPS on my phone though.
Yeah, me too.
There's Google Maps.
I got Waze.
Yeah, and Waze.
Oh, I have Waze right here.
This is he's setting up the GPS.
Tell me how to go.
I have it on my phone, but I like this one better.
This is like so 1990. So you probably put the key right in there. There you go.
No,
turn it.
this is not how you turn it.
Yes. We have no idea how to start the car. Oh, Dad, this isn't the key. Dad, this is the key. This is the key.
No, this is not how.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. Oh.
Right.
Here we go.
I try to wash it.
Oh, I have the window open. I didn't even
There's a scenic loop drive.
We go visitor
Exit.
center and
Visitor
take a look
center,
at what's going on.
Wow, look at the rocks. It's behind it though, it's beautiful. The visitor center is right over here.
Yeah, the Volvo thing. You have to bring our bag with us?
You okay? How was the car ride back there?
Excellent. My ear's a little bit numb.
Yeah, my mom was like chirping her ears off, but it's okay. It's my mom. She can do that. But yeah, we made it to Red Rock Canyon right now. Just 17 miles out of the Las Vegas Strip, about a 30-minute drive from Las Vegas Strip out here. This is Nevada's first National Conservatory area, and I came here when it's really, really hot out. The weather's perfect right now. There's tons of different things you can do. Go on hikes, you can go on these little trails, you can go rock climbing. There's a 13-mile scenic drive, which I think we're gonna do. And yeah, everyone's out here. This is beautiful out here. The rocks are everywhere. Rocks are red. and it's nice to stretch and be out of that car. Holy smokes, this is beautiful. All right, Dad, where are we going?
Scenic drive.
Scenic 13-mile drive. And after like a 1-minute drive through the gates into the park, we made it a quick stop. And this place is beautiful. The thing is, there's a lot of tourists, so maybe drive further in, but we'll get some shots here. It's still beautiful. Yeah, stop number 2. It's like redder. 4th stop right here.
But there's a lot of animals out here. Yeah, watch out for the snakes.
Watch out for rattlesnakes.
So this is the 6th stop. Alright, so we made it into like the 7th or 8th stop in. This is absolutely beautiful. There's signs for little turtles. Basically, there's like some turtle rule that I read online where you don't want to stand within 10 feet from a turtle. They're endangered. They'll fine you $50,000. To the mobile.
No. There's no signal.
We're in the middle of nowhere. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the nature. Great drone flight. So we're still like only 10% into this drive. So we're gonna drive around a little, enjoy the scenic view, and cramp up in this van.
We're at Red Rock Canyon.
Red Rock Canyon?
Yes, we are.
Nice.
Enjoying the scenic.
And it's beautiful.
And the forestry and the mountains.
And it's beautiful.
Oh, very beautiful.
Hey, let me get this door
Yes,
for you.
please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next stop. Yeah, we're done. That was quick.
That was quick. Hold on. Let me come back here and
Let's confirm. How is it?
No. There's,
Got to shoot the drone up. Beautiful views. We're gonna head back to Vegas. All right, let's get out of here. All right, that was a good little quick lunch. We're gonna head back to the hotel right now, chill at the hotel, then we have dinner, or Fremont Street actually at 6 o'clock, so you can check out one of the most popular spots out in Vegas. And we made it back to the room and we're currently watching Green Arrow, just to plug it in. Big fan of Arrow. If you're not watching it, go check it out. That's the giant LED, the largest one in the world. Oh my goodness.
It's small in the camera, but it's actually like really big, and it's like the whole piece all across the hall on that side.
What she said. Wow, the largest LED screen in the world right over there.
Right there.
So it's like different animations all the time. This is pretty cool. So incredible to be out here right now. It's mainly like casinos, a lot of little restaurants. There's a lot of performances and shows. And the LED screen is right up there. And like Rachel said, what were you saying? It's super, oh, there's like a show up there. Woo. All right, this is way too loud and noisy. At least she experienced Fremont. We're gonna do what every Vegaser does. Head out to the casino buffet and have it comped on your parents. We ended up driving back to the Strip from Fremont Street to enjoy our last dinner together. Overall, it was an incredible time being able to see my parents, including having Rachel meet them for the very first time. Great success. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick vlog out here in Vegas, and I'll catch you in the next one.